Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your account and physical setup. Check that your Geo 5G plan is active and there are no billing holds. Once done, power off your phone and router, remove and reseat the SIM carefully to ensure proper contact. You do this because loose SIM seating or account blocks often cause slow or no 5G. If you can, test the SIM in another compatible device to isolate phone hardware or software issues. This narrows down the problem quickly. Once your SIM and account check out, optimize the device itself. Go to Network Settings and choose 5G only or prefer 5G where available, then turn off Battery Saver and Background Sync because they throttle data. Update the phone firmware and carrier settings to fix compatibility. These updates often include radio improvements. If speeds remain poor, reset network settings to clear corrupted profiles and briefly use airplane mode to force a fresh registration with the nearest 5G cell. This reestablishes the best connection. Finish by verifying environmental and network side factors. You should move to higher ground or a window because building materials and obstructions dramatically reduce 5G signal. Rooftop or open-air testing reveals true speeds. Use a reliable speed test app and compare results on another phone to confirm the issue isn't device-specific, and note times when performance drops. If problems persist, collect screenshots and registration logs and contact Geo support so they can check tower load.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.